Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by arming the track and inserting Remix FX into the Audio FX slot. Do that now so processing is live. Once inserted, choose the device view and set tempo sync to match your session. This keeps effects musically in time. Make sure sidechain preview is enabled when you want to trigger effects from another track. You'll need to pick a preset or initialize parameters. Do this early so you can focus on adjusting performance controls rather than basic routing. Next, map the most important parameters to physical or on-screen controls so you can play them. Assign wet/dry, filter cutoff, and stutter depth to macro knobs, and make sure LFO rate is tempo synced. This lets you sculpt sound intuitively. Once mapped, set Logic's automation to touch or latch so every movement is recorded. You'll want to test a few gestures and undo any mapping conflicts. Doing this makes live tweaking repeatable and keeps your performance expressive rather than accidental. Finally, perform and record your Remix FX moves directly into track automation or MIDI CC lanes. You will capture dynamic builds and drops. Once recorded, refine by trimming automation nodes, quantizing rhythmic gates, and using snapshots to /B different settings. This speeds decision-making. If you encounter audio glitches or high CPU, increase the audio buffer, freeze non-essential tracks, or bypass CPU-heavy modules temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.